Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back if you are already a subscriber. Today we're gonna learn some important verbs in Spanish and I'm gonna give you some examples using the infinitive form of the verb, meaning no conjugation involved. Okay, so our first verb, it's gonna be hacer. Hacer has two meanings. It means to do and to make. Hacer un pastel. Hacer la tarea. Hacer ejercicio. Second verb, tener. Tener means to have, and we also use it as to have to. Tener and tener que. Tener una casa. Tener que limpiar la casa. Limpiar means to clean, so that's an extra verb that I'm gonna add in this video. Third verb is ser. Ser means to be, but in Spanish we have two verbs to be, so this is just one of them. This one we use it for adjectives, for professions, and nationalities. Ser muy alta.
Alta means tall and it's an adjective.
Ser enfermera.
Enfermera means nurse and it's a profession.
Ser americana.
Americana means American and it's a nationality.
Fourth verb is our second verb to be, estar. Estar also means to be, but we use it for places, emotions, and actions. Estar en la oficina.
En la oficina means in the office and it's a place.
Estar muy enojado.
Enojado means angry and it's an emotion.
Estar corriendo.
Corriendo means running and it's an action.
The infinitive form of corriendo is correr. That means to run. So that's an extra verb that I'm gonna add today. Fifth verb is saber. Saber means to know, but it's only used for knowledge or skills. Saber otro idioma. Saber montar bicicleta. Montar is another verb that means to ride.
But let's go back to how to say to know in Spanish.
If you want to use it to say, I know a person or a place, then you have to use a different verb, which is conocer. Conocer a mi mamá. Conocer España. Alright, there you go for today. I gave you a lot of different verbs that are very important to learn in Spanish. Try to memorize them and don't worry about the conjugation yet. I'm gonna make another video about conjugations, but for now, try to remember these verbs. I hope you liked this video and I hope to see you soon in my next one. Bye!